Hi there and welcome to Coinoperatedpress. My name is Chloe Henderson and today I'm going to be taking you through the process of making a mini-zine from a single sheet of paper. You might be watching this video and wondering what a zine is. My wonderful business partner Katie has made a video all about what a zine is and a little bit about the history as well, so I will link that in the ag cards above. In this video we're going to be making mini-zines, so here are a few examples of what mini-zines are. They're typically folded from one piece of paper, normally A4, and you fold them to make an 8-page zine. Making mini-zines is super easy and you only need a few simple materials. First most important, paper. Second most important is either scissors or a craft knife. And the third is whatever you really want to create your mini-zine with. Pens, pencils, paints, anything. Collage, you can make your zines out of anything you want. And that's it, that's all you need to make a mini-zine. So the most important thing you're going to need today is a piece of paper. I'm just using simple printer paper because it's cheap and easy to find. So your first step is to make a fold along the length, like so. As this is your first one, don't worry too much about getting it even. The more you practice, the better you'll get at folding. I'm still terrible. Next, fold it flat again, and then fold it once more, this time along the width. Like so. So when you open it back out, it should look like this. You'll have a cross section. Now, you're going to take two flaps here and bring it right into the centre where you made the first fold. And we will repeat and do it on the next side. Like so. And fold it again and it should look like this. Now you want to fold it again into the centre. And we're going to cut this line here. You're going to stop when you get to this bit, so it's just this line. Like so. And you can do this with a craft knife as well. Stopping just when you get to that line there. So you should have something that looks like this when you fold it back out, and you want to fold it along the length once more, and from the top it should start to look like this. You'll see a little diamond shape form in the middle. You want to push it all the way in till it forms a cross. Make sure these edges are flat, and then it'll quite easily just fold into a little booklet, as you can see. And you want to just fold the pages flat once more, and there you have it, you've made a mini-zine. Ta-da! And now you get to do the fun part, which is to fill this little zine in with whatever you want. And that is the best part about making zines, is to use your creativity to share your voice and share the things that matter to you most. So I'm going to make a little mini zine from this just now. I'm going to share what I love the most, mermaids. I'm an illustrator, so today I'm going to illustrate some mermaid tails because that's obviously the best thing to do with a zine. This is just a little example of what you can do with the zine that you've just made. The great thing about zines is that you can do whatever you want on the inside. They're a really great place to share anything that you're passionate about. I hope you enjoy watching this little time lapse of my process making my little zine. so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it informative. If you did enjoy it, please hit that little thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button as well to make sure you never miss an update from us. Until then, I hope you enjoy making zines. Bye!